What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lace Tech. I am your host, Caleb Lacey, and I have an old Google Home Mini that has been shipped to my house and hasn't been opened ever since. And just to prove it to you, on the day it was shipped, ship date was 12/2/2019, okay? That was the day, and so I'm gonna unbox this because I figured why not, give a little bit of thoughts on what it is. I've never really gotten to, actually use one of these besides an Alexa, which my dad has like 15 million of them in his house. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this knife and I'm gonna go right here and I'm just gonna cut this open. Okay. Right here. And no, ever since we got this, I have been begging my mom to let me open it and whatnot. Until today, she's like, you know what? After the results from my previous unboxing, she's like, do it. So in the box it says hi there, and right here it says Google Store and whatnot. So we got this for free from Spotify. So right here you can see Google Home Mini. Okay, and then just bubble wrap, and that really is it. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see here, sorry I stopped it to get a thumbnail for you guys, but as you can see here, you have the Google logo, and then Google Home Mini. Now it's the Google Nest, since them and Nest actually merged. So you can see it can work with Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, Google Photos, Wemo, I think, and obviously Google Nest, Philips Hue, Chromecast, and whatnot. So it's small. The box is small. So I think how I'm going to get into this is, where's my knife? There we go. That is the saw. It's a multi-tool, so I think how I'm going to get into this is I'm going to come over here. Just like so. Okay. And there is the box. I love the box that tech companies use. The feeling of it just feels so good. So to open this, you pull this tab right here. Maybe. So to open this, you pull this tab. Just like that. And then it opens. So my bad. I accidentally pushed the record button. So you open it and just tear this off. And then you just lift this open. You can see there's a housing. And here is the Google Mini, the Google Home Mini, just like so. You can see you can turn on and off the microphone with this switch right here. And really, this is actually pretty small. I'm surprised at how small it is. So let's set this aside and see what else is in here. You have this for the template. Okay, and then let's get started. So you have the pamphlet right here, just pull that out. So you have let's get started, you just plug it in and get the app, download the Google Home app. So I need to download the Google Home app, just like so, get to know your Google Mini. Google Home Mini, touch controls. So this does have touch controls, which I'm actually surprised about with this little hockey puck right here. So tap right side, volume up, tap left side, volume down, just like so. Long press, play, pause, somewhat, and then the mic switch right here to mute your mic. So whenever I'm talking, I could just flip this right here. And then, hi, how can I help? Just say, okay, Google, and whatnot. So put this right here, and then it says be safe. There's just warranty information. So you come over here, and here is the plug itself. As you can see, it takes micro USB, and it's a white plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull that, and then here it is, the wiring for all this. So, and I think that's it. I am not too sure. Yeah, that looks to be it. So I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this right here. Just stick all this aside and whatnot. Put all the trash in here. And then I'm going to plug this right in. Okay, so as you can see, I am now downloading the Google Home app. So I'm going to set that aside, let that download. I'm going to take this knife away before I stab myself with it. And then I'm going to take the micro USB plug right here. And I'm just going to plug it in like so. Just like that. I'm going to click open. And I'm going to click OK. OK. And then I'm just going to get started. So let's go with my personal email. Set up Google Home Mini.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay. So resume. I don't have a home, so I think I need to add a home, set up new devices, create another home, click next, home nickname, home, and I'm going to put in my street address, so let me put that in. Okay, so it's wanting my location access, so I go to settings, and then I click allow while using app. Looking for devices, so it's going to take a little bit. Google Home 3299 has found. Click next, connecting to Google Home Mini. And yes, I heard the sound. I agree. I'm in. Where is this device? Bedroom. Custom room name. Let's call this the studio, because this is somewhat my studio. I'm sleeping in the room next door, so it's called the studio. Next, the Lacey home. Alright, let me type in my password. Okay, so it's connecting to Wi-Fi right now. And see how these... Oh, connected, okay. Click next. Teach assistant to recognize your voice. Agreed voice match, agreed. Okay. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay, Google, remind me to water my plants every day. Hey, Google, make a call. Hey, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And that seems to be it, so I'm going to click continue. Setting up voice match. I don't know if you can hear my mom downstairs, but she's working, so I'm doing this while she's working. This is fun. And it's really painful on my wrist. Saving audio is a choice. You can help improve the products you use by saving your audio from search. I'm not going to do that. I feel like that's a bit too creepy. Get personal results with your voice. Okay.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant.
Alright, let's do the female. It has to be the female. Add your Spotify, so I guess I'll do that too. Yes, link my account. And I'm going to make sure that... Okay, so I'm going to click agree to link my Spotify to this. I don't have SiriusXM. I don't I have all these, but I'm not going to connect it because it's not under my email. Not now. Get started with voice calls. I'm not going to do that. Sign up. Nope. That's what Twitter is for. I don't have payment method. So I'm going to click next, installing update. So this is going to take about 4 minutes to do. It'll be worth the wait, so let's actually orient this better. It's installing the update. Studio speaker is ready, so let's get started. Click continue. Just start with Hey Google. Your Google Assistant will respond to you when you say Hey Google or OK Google.
Sorry, I can't send messages yet.
Finish setup. And that's it. That is all that we need to do for the Google Home Mini. So, I don't know if you guys know, it's somewhat like Siri, somewhat like Alexa or HomePod, just in the Google form. So, I say, Hey Google, how are you doing today?
I've been busy staying up to date on the latest election news. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
So yeah, it's pretty loud, and I find it awesome how there are touch controls right here under the mesh. Like right now it's muted. So I find how cool it is. So, but yeah, I think that is it for this video. I am deeply honored to do unboxings for this channel. I know a lot of people like that. The Note 20 Ultra video just blew up, so I'm actually really surprised about that. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Next video will be the November 10th event. I need to get on Leaks some more, so I'm sorry about that. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya.